In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to unban a suspended TikTok account. When your TikTok account gets banned, it's very frustrating because we are so used to creating videos and posting it on TikTok and getting a lot of likes and shares and all these things. Unfortunately, one fine day you log in and you get a notification pop up on your account on TikTok telling you that your account has been suspended. Now, the only way to unban or request to remove the suspension from your TikTok account is to submit an appeal. And how to send an appeal is simply by clicking on the appeal button on that screenshot. Now basically you're going to get three options: appeal, download your data, or dismiss. You click on the appeal button and you're going to get a form to fill. Follow on screen instructions. Basically you would have to give them a good reason why your account is not in any kind of a violation. Give them a reason as to why they should reinstate your account. Basically, okay, you could just tell them that you haven't done anything wrong, and if you did anything wrong, to give you an exception and next time you wouldn't do it. Tell them that in your note that you're going to send it in and submit the appeal. These guys are definitely going to respond to you within 3 to 5 working days. They're going to review your account. If your account is all good, then you are definitely going to get access to your account again. These days, why more TikTok accounts are getting banned is simply because of the fact that the algorithm has changed. Most of these social media websites have adopted AI, so even if they have a little doubt on your account, they're going to just suspend it. So we just need to be careful and follow the instructions that I suggested to you earlier and try and see if you could get your account back. So I hope this helps and you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.